There's this Emerson Buckingham. Looks to be like pewter maybe. I have no idea. Like brushed steel, pewter. It's a very nice fan. Quite like it. I have no idea what the finish on this thing is. Looks like pewter. The light off. Very pretty glass. Blades are saggy. I do not know the finish on this thing, but I think it's like pewter or something. Maybe bronze heritage. I really like this thing. It's gonna want to be free though. It's been on this beat for years. I feel something. I feel a little bit. Not much though, because it's like on medium. But it works. And it doesn't blow. It isn't bad.